Stop running out of lettuce, do this instead. Most people wait until their lettuce stops producing before growing more, but that creates a gap. Instead, start your lettuce while it's growing and then transplant where the old lettuce was. That means starting your seeds now so they're ready later. I've got my seed starting tray here and I've already put potting mix in it. Next, I'm adding seeds. I'm going to add multiple seeds to the container, and the reason why is I'm not expecting full germination. Next step is to add a little bit of potting mix on top. The reason I'm doing that is lettuce seeds do not like to be buried deep into the soil. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to push it over and make it flat. Next step is watering. I like to use a spray bottle. The reason why is it makes it moist but not too wet. Get a good amount of water in here until it glistens on top. By the time the old lettuce slows down, this one is ready. And that means you get a continuous harvest with no gaps. If you're interested in seeing exactly how I transplant the lettuce, I have a video for that.